Hi, welcome to Code Chappy. Today we're going to see the demo for teacher promotion predictions app using machine learning project. Let's see how to start the project. These are the project folders. First, open the Visual Studio Code and open it. It left side project folders. First, import the project folders and open it. These are the project folders. If you want to click the SRC, all source codes are there. Next, you can open the Notepad++ and open it. These are the Notepad++. First, import the project folders. These are the project files. First, you can click the download. You can view the files. All the download files are there. To run the project, first you can install the Miniconda prompt, and next you can download Visual Studio. Next you can download Notepad++. These are the download files. Next you can open the readme text files. These are the readme files. You can view all the details. Let's see how to start the machine learning project. First, open the Anaconda prompt and open as run as administration. Always open in run as administration. These are the prompt. Go back to the readme files. First, you can cd and project path. You go back to the project folders and copy the project path and paste the prompt. Cd plus paste the prompt. Can automatically run the project. Next, go back to the readme files. First, you can install the requirements. Copy the requirements command. You can paste the requirement and click enter. Once a command input, you can automatically install the requirements. Go back to the readme file. To run the project, you execute the command. These are the command. You can copy the commands and paste the prompt. Same for the all commands. You can copy and paste it. This is for the final command. You can enter. You can automatically outputs are there. These are the output. If you want to running the web browser, you can copy the HTTP server and you can paste the web browser. You can automatically open the project. First, explain the project. These are the promotion prediction system project. If you want to enter the all details, employee details, you can eligible or not eligible, automatically predictions of the systems. First, you will enter the details. So, your first name, if you want to enter first name and last name, enter all the details. Enter the age, enter the experience, 1 or 2 or 3 experience. You can anything enter it. Next, enter the grade. First grade, second grade, third grade. Can anything enter. Next, you can last promotions. What are the last promotions? You can enter it. Next, you can promotion one type, promotion second type, promotion third type. You can anything choose it. Click predict promotions. It is not eligible or not eligible. You can automatically view it. Promotion prediction systems. Kavita is not eligible for the promotions. If once I enter the details, you can automatically predict the details. Not eligible or eligible, anything you can view it. Next, you can refresh the systems. If you want to enter another details, you can enter the another names and another age, experience. Enter all the new details. You can enter the last name. First, you can see the not eligibles. Next, you can see the eligibles criteria. Enter the experience. It's for the highest values are there. Grade for 9, you can last promotions are 9 or 10, anything you can edit. You can choose a promotion 1 type, promotion 2 type, promotion 3 type. You can anything you can choose it. Once I enter all the details. you can click the predict promotions. Click predict promotion, automatically predict the details. You can, the Geeta is eligible for the promotions. These are the predict for the systems. Once I enter the details, it automatically predict the promotions. Promotions eligible or not eligible. You can view all the details. That's all about the project explanations. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.